Thanks for being here. I got spicy noodles, Chipotle, half burrito, some round table, some guac from Chipotle, chips from Baja Fresh, ranch, mayo, sour cream, and a drink. If you don't like this video, then you don't like me. Alright, let's start with the spicy stuff. Here we go. Here is the spicy noodles. Ooh, yeah. Look at that goodness. I put in the mixture that they like. You know that sushi stuff. The outside of the sushi. Look at that. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, you got the point. I love mayo. Alright. Here we go. Oh, it's so hot. Mmm. 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 Burn in my mouth. Burn in my mouth. Mmm. Oh, hiccups. My nose is dripping. My lips are on fire. What the fuck? I kind of feel like I might throw up, actually. Alright, let me finish this last juice. Oh shit, I just poured juice everywhere. Shit. Worst mistake ever. Alright. I have this spicy juice all over my floor. Alright. I don't like that. That was dramatic, but it was very hard. Alright, I need something to drink. Hold on. No more burps. No more hiccups. This is torturous. Alright. I think I'm gonna end this. Alright, let me just have one bite of this burrito and I'm gonna end it. I don't feel good. I don't feel good at all. I don't feel good. I'm done. I'm sorry. This mukbang sucked. Spicy noodles got me. I'm really sorry. Thanks for watching.